everybody, it's me, Sarah, and in this video, I'm going to be doing my Halloween shopping spree. Yes, we've all gotten stuck on that at one time, and I just did. I just went shopping because I want to get some stuff to wear at home for Halloween, because if we can't go outside and celebrate, we might as well do it inside. And then I saw the most nicest Halloween stuff ever, and some not so Halloween stuff. There'll also be that too. So yeah, let's get this video started, and I'm gonna be sharing my Halloween stuff with you guys. Okay, guys, I'm back, and now I'm gonna give you guys the tour of my Halloween spree. Yeah, play some music too to get in the Halloween spirit. Am I right? So let's start. Let's do the first one that I love. This is it. Be aware, go back. I love this one. It's so scary. I'm gonna put this on my lawn, and people are never gonna come in my house then. Be aware and go back. I love that song. Tell me what's your favorite one. This was number one. So say number one best, number two best, number three best. So yeah, I'll know. Next one. This is Halloween related. Yes, this is Halloween related. Okay, this is also pretty cute. We got these black pumpkins. Let's unbox them. It's an unboxing video too. So let's see. How do you open these? I don't know. I just have people to open this for me. Okay. So yes, I got it. Okay. It's not. I did it. Okay. I accomplished it. Oh no! It didn't want to fight. Okay, I'm fighting too then. There you go. Oh, look at these. Do you guys see them? These are so cute, guys. I love this. This is so cute. I'm gonna get some more. Super cute, guys. I love this. This is adorable. She's a stem. I love that. And this is a 4-packer. So yeah, that's pretty good. And it is super cute too. So I love this. This was a nice one. Then you got this. Oh my, back one. Wait, there's like golden too. I really like that. Now let's put this aside because we don't want this no more. We don't want those. Let's decorate. Can you guys see it? There. There, guys. There, guys. Okay. So yeah. There. Look at this. Look at my little pumpkins. So I'm growing pumpkins now. I'm a pumpkin farmer. So yeah, let's move on to the next one. I'm excited. Okay, so this next one, guys, I don't know what I love so much about this, but it's so cute. The pumpkins, pumpkin lights. So I'm gonna try to find a way to open this. I don't know. Okay, yeah, it's probably gonna take a while. Okay, I got it. I found a little area. Hopefully I don't cut the pumpkins. That would be very sad if I did. It's not opening. Okay, I gotta do more. I don't like this unboxing video. I don't think this is me, guys, but we'll see if I enjoyed this after. Okay, it's opening. Oh, it's working. Oh, no, it's not working. Oh my god, is this gonna be the whole video? Just like me trying to unbox this one package? Oh my god. Ugh. Why? Why do you not like me? Did I ever do something to you? Okay, there we go. I found it. You gotta spin. Hopefully I don't cut it. Okay. There. Thank you. Oh my god. They are like erupting. I want to escape. Okay, I lost them. Oh, I found it. Okay, it's back. I'm back, guys. Try to go into a dustbin. Oh, oh my god, is this? Oh my, oh no, I don't like this. I don't like the feeling. You have to make it yourself. That's not very nice. Oh my god, guys, you have to make them yourself, guys. They are pop-ups. Look, that's a pop-up. Let me show you it. So inside you got these. I'm taking one out. Oh, I got two. They look really small. Like, what is this? But now I found out. You gotta do them yourself. They pop out like that. So I take a while too. I didn't know that I had to do this. Okay, well I guess that's the thing, guys. More to pop more. This is actually very satisfying. And do you guys like the background music that I got? Yes, thank you. I love it too. Some of them are pretty hard to pop, but you know, we'll have to do it. Let's put this in the back to make us more space. Because I didn't know, when you go back, you got more space. So yeah, that's cool, right? How many are there? Oh my god. No. You have to make, what are these? Is there any instructions in here? There better be instructions. Attention. My god, are there instructions anywhere? There's no instructions. Wow. How nice. There's no instructions. Okay, guys, well, I'm gonna wait for my sister to come home and she's gonna help me with this. So, better wish her some good luck. Yeah, she's gonna have to help me with this. Yeah, a bunch of these puzzle pieces. I don't know what they're for. I'm gonna keep these here. Please don't lose them. I can't do it, guys, right now, but maybe I'll make a video of doing this. I'm popping up this pumpkin now. Well, okay. Okay, so there we go. And here's a good pumpkin that actually looks like something. Like my very thin ones. Oh man, that one's like this. Okay, so moving on. Okay, guys. These are literally not related to Halloween at all. Just regular lights I want for my room. Cause I was like, why not? Let's put some room lights. Cause I need some night lights for my room, and I think this would look really cute. I got this. Yeah. From myself. Okay, this one's much easier. Okay, I got some more lights. For sure, for Halloween. Oh my god. It's like literally just came on me. So here are the lights. There you go. They want one light, so we don't need that. The next one. Oh, okay, I got another one that's totally not related to Halloween. Look how cute this is. I want you to show you my face. Look how cute this is. It's so adorable. The snow is just going all around. I know it's not related to Halloween. It's for Christmas, but still. Do you just want to hug it or something? It's so cute. We got two of these. So yeah. It's totally perfect. Next one. Some more Halloween lights, which are purple. Let's open up. I don't need to say this. I'm not really good at this. Open! Oh my god, okay. You have to do something else for this to open. Okay, I'm using my scissors. I do not like waiting. Okay, there we go. Oh my god, look, I warmed it. It's like a whole box that actually goes to the top. See that? It goes to the top. So, oh my. You need batteries for the thing. So maybe at the end of the video, if I feel like it. Oh no. You have to literally cut them away. But it's not coming out. There you go. Oh, this pumpkin wants to run. Okay. Do you have some ingredients? Not ingredients. Whatever they're called. I don't know. The checklist. I don't know. What's the ingredient list? not kidding, this is food. Got the lights, which I do not know how to use, but there's like ingredients for this, so I mean, I can't show you guys at the end of the video. Like I was thinking. So yeah, let's move on. How's this one, guys? I don't know if it works. Yeah, guys. Party pumpkin! Can you see it? It's Party Pumpkin. Yeah, Party Pumpkin. So, I love this. It's so creepy. Now, totally unrelated, but something I've been dying to get. Orbeez. Can you guys see that? See the Orbeez? The pink! I love it so much! It's so cute. Just put them down. I don't have a computer with me. And now the next one, which I'm so excited for, I can't show you many batteries. That's my sister punches with batteries. So yeah, I am scared. So I don't want to cut these. So it's gonna be. Oh, I hate when they add cardboard and plastic because then you can't rip it open. There you go, guys. You guys see these? There are little spiders on this. I saw these like a few days ago. Actually, not today, but I saw it a few days ago. And I was like, yeah, I'm gonna have to buy it at some time. I'm gonna put them with the regular lights. I really have a light collection here. Does anybody else have a light collection, or am I the only one that has light collection? The next one, the same one, same. Another Christmas one. It's a jingle bell, whatever this. I don't know what it's called. What is it called? I don't know. For indoor decorative use, only not a toy. I think it's a toy. It's fun. It's fun, guys. It's fun. It's a rattle. I want it. It's a toy now. I'm keeping my room. I'm gonna go sleep like this. So yeah. Okay, guys. So I hope you guys liked this video. And if you did, give it a like then. Hit that subscribe button, then hit that bell button to get notified. And if you want me to do more videos like this, then let me know in the comment section down below. And I'll of course do it because I had lots of fun doing this other than the reason of me almost killing myself. I was at that point. I didn't scream, so yeah. But to end off, Party Pumpkin time. I love this so much. Yeah, it's good. I like the Party Pumpkin. So yeah. Okay guys, so yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah. Bye. Hey, wait, okay. So I forgot. No bye bye. I gotta tell you guys the whole thing. Okay. So if you guys really want me to do another video of this, then let me know in the comment section below. Because I had lots of fun doing this and I would love to do it again. So I just need to know that you guys actually liked it. So I can spend it free. Isn't that I literally love this, but I don't know what this is. I have to pop it up and make it somehow. I don't know. If you guys have this at home, you guys know how to do it, then please help me. The comment section below, my discussion page, or anything, just say hashtag pumpkin problem and tell me the whole thing, and I will be checking it because I need help with this. So yeah. Now is the real goodbye. Goodbye, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a like and subscribe, and see you all next time. Bye-bye!